Hi, good morning. Alex here for Apple investors. As you know, I've been and I will remain a huge fan of Apple products. But recently I announced that as a long-term investor in Apple, I sold entirely my investment position within 230 to 232, as well as every single Apple investor subscriber to our service. And moreover, we reversed to the short side. And why did we do that? Okay, not only because the market conditions in the US they changed, we warned people there are stocks that they already crashed, they gave up 40-50% of their value, and you are likely to see or to continue seeing these conditions for quite a while. So these long-term investors in Apple that they have no clue whatsoever how to invest in the markets, namely in Apple, and by the way, they are not fans of Apple as we are. I shall invite you to see, as of today, videos that you have on the web, and by the way, by neutral people whose main interest is precisely to tell you the truth and not to bash the company. This is not about Apple. But the fact is that Apple, as of today, the products, the quality of the products are very low compared to the past. When you buy Apple product, my friends, you are paying a very high premium to receive to get the best product ever, the best products in the world, correct? Well, it happens, for example, with this new product, the iPad Pro, which is a marvelous piece of technology. It is amazing the defective quality of the product. It is amazing. So I invite you to search on the web. I repeat, people telling the truth, making the tests that they have to make. And this iPad Pro, it is amazing. The low quality of the product, I'm not referring to the technology, I'm referring to the quality of the product, what you are paying versus what you are obtaining. If you buy an iPad Pro, unless you utilize it, at night to watch Netflix while you are lying on bed, if you are going to carry an iPad Pro, the new one, as we do, to work, to travel and so on, what is going to happen? The iPad Pro is going to break. And it's going to break within, a week. And if you receive the iPad Pro in good conditions, without breaking, you already are lucky. Such is the low quality of the product. It is amazing. So before, and I'm trying to, I'm telling the truth, so I invite you to see the tests on the web, real tests with the new iPad Pro, that obviously, most people, they are not going to try to break it, okay? It is common, but it breaks, my friends. It breaks, it bends like a sheet of paper. How is it possible that Apple, the management, the company, has not yet came to public saying, we have a problem, we recognize this problem, and here it is the solution? No one is talking about it. Apple management, it is perfect. It is clean, it is transparent, it has been always. But they are hiding information from people. So investigate it instead of wasting your money. Before you waste your money, because there are many other companies with, good products also in the markets at by far lower prices. We are Apple fans, okay? I have all the products from Apple, and we will continue buying it because we like it, but we are not buying the new iPad Pro unless it is free. So, good luck. Thank you.